Hello everyone, so how are you? So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about PhD admission 2021. So if you have qualified your UGC NET or JRF or GATE or CPAT or GMAT and you haven't take admission in your PhD, then this video is going to be very useful to you. So guys, let's focus on this video. So first of all, we discuss about the vacancies which has come out from Muradabad University, IFTM University, which is located in Muradabad. So if you have qualified your UGC NET and JRF and you want to join as professors and associate professor and assistant professor, then you should fill this form here. And here is the subject list: management, commerce, hotel management, travel, tourism, pharmacy, education, journalism, English, Hindi, geography, sociology, economics, library science, political science, law. And you can look your subject list and the salary and qualification and experience as per UGC norms. And you have to when you want to know detail about this vacancy, then you should contact on this number. So this number is here, and you should mail here, or you should visit the website www.iftmuniversity.ac.in. So now come to the PhD admission. So the first PhD admission form which has come out from All India Institute of Medical Sciences. So if you're a student of medical, then this is very useful to you. AIMS PhD program, January 2021. So PhD program opens on 11th of February and closes on 25th of February at 5 p.m. So if you haven't filled this form, then you should visit this website www.aimsexams.org.pay, and after that you will fill this form from here. And the another PhD notification which has come out from National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, NIPER, so which is located in Punjab, Mohali. So the advertisement has come out for January 2021 program. So the subject is MS or MPharm, MTech and MBA and PhD. So if you have qualified your Inspire Fellowship or DVT JRF or CSIR UGC NET JRF, then you should fill this form here. And here is the subject list. The subject list is medical chemistry for medical chemistry, and pharmaceutical technology process and biotechnology. And you can look here your fee criteria. So whatever you will pay fee, here is the fee list. And this is very affordable university, so you can afford here. So you should fill this form if you're a student of medical. And the third university is Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, TIFR. Actually this program has been collaborated with IISc and TIFR, so Indian Institute of Science, which is located in Bengal, and TIFR, Tata Institute for Fundamental Research, which is located in Mumbai. So if you want to do your PhD with living in Mumbai, then you should fill this form. So the last date is 16th of March here, so you should fill this form. So now for the fourth universities, and the fourth is IIPS, International Institute for Population Sciences. This is deemed university, and this is also located in Mumbai, and this is an autonomous organization of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. So if you want to do your PhD in part-time mode, then you should look here, part-time PhD program course detail, and this is the admission bulletin detail. So now we come to the admission bulletin 997. So this is the prospectus of IIPS. So you can look here your subject list. This is the subject list: Master of Arts, Science in Population Studies, MSc, 55 seats with the Government of India. So here is also vacancy for master degree program also, and the Doctor of Philosophy program in population demography, and you can look here, Doctor of Philosophy in Population Studies, Biostatistics and Demography. So you should have MPhil, then you don't have to give entrance test, and if you don't have MPhil, then you have to give your entrance test to take admission here in PhD program. So the last date is 18th of March 2021, and the upper age limit is 30 years. So if you are upper than 30 years, then you should not, and you could not fill this form here. And another is part-time PhD program, and part-time PhD program which is also in population studies and demographics. So that, and the last date and the age limit, no age limit, there is no age limit. Part-time PhD programming, there is no age limit, so you can fill this form with upper age. And postdoctoral fellowship PDF, so this is the highest education in India. So if you have already done your PhD and you want to do your postdoc, then you should also fill this form here. Candidates having PhD degree in population studies or related areas such as health, gender development and social sciences, so you can also fill here. And you will get 50,000 plus HRA per month, and the last date of form is 1st of July 2021, and the full-time program is 1-year program. And if you want to know all details, then you should visit this website www.iipsindia.ac.in. So guys, this was all about PhD admission and assistant professor vacancies. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much to watch this video. Please share it.